Hi guys, this is Jen from Teach Love Autism, and I wanted to show you the newest freebie in my store. It's called a Fluency data sheet set. Okay, so this is what the cover looks like. This is a freebie in my store, and my store is right here. You can find it here, Teach Love Autism, and you can go to the Teachers Pay Teachers website and get all of this for free. So I go in some detail on my Facebook page about what a Fluency station is, and I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to show you each page and give a quick snapshot of what it is. So this would be a list of skills that you might want to assess with a student before starting your Fluency station. This would also be another list of basic skills that I have created for you in a data sheet that you can keep track of the date that you assessed the skill and the score that they had, the date that they mastered the skill, and the score that they had for mastery. And then I also provide in this freebie a completely blank form that you can use to create your own set of skills that you want to keep track of. And then the next sheet that you'll see here is this is the actual sheet that I use for every single skill in my classroom that we do in the Fluency station. So we put the student's name, the school year, we put what the skill is. So for this case, the student was working on number identification, the mastery criteria, meaning what we want them to be able to do. So I want the student to be able to have accuracy at 80%, and I want them to be able to do it in 30 seconds. So these are timed sessions that we are working on these skills with these students. So we write, when we record these sessions, we write the date, how long the session length was, the amount that they got correct out of the total number of cards that we worked on, accuracy rate, which you can do in a percent, or you can also see I did in a number. Then the last sheet that you can find here is actually, this is a self-graphing data sheet that I really like to use to show progress. And actually this is two separate ones. I would use this top, that's why that says skill there. You could even cut this in half and put it on a ring if you wanted to, if you have like a progress monitoring area that you would want to use this in, but you would really only use the half sheet. The top would be for one skill, the bottom would be another. Now let me show you those in two different ways that you can use them. So you can make it into a bar graph or a line graph, depending on how you want to plot your information. I will even pull this closer so you can see. So for this bottom one, we were working on number identification, and we write in the dates and the scores, and then we filled in the graph based on those scores, so you can see if the student is making progress. The next one was working on letter identification, and we have the dates that we worked on the skill and then their scores below that, and then we graphed them here on this chart. So this was my Fluency data sheet set that is a freebie in my store. Again, my store is Teach Love Autism, and I hope you guys will go check it out.